Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Actually, good afternoon. It's 1:30 p.m. now, 26 December. I didn't get a chance to make a vlog yesterday. Not everybody likes to be in the video, so there wasn't much content to make. But today I thought I would make a vlog. I'm going to do a few things around the house. There's not much planned, but I will show you what Christmas gifts we got. And I'm also going to cook dal today. Dal is lentil seed for those who don't know. So I'm going to do that. But for now, as you can see, I'm drinking my tea. I have my toast biscuit, and then I also have my Projapati biscuit. So yeah, I went to the Indian store. I got these biscuits. I got 2 packs of these biscuits, and I also got this kurkure after a long time. So I'm going to finish my tea right now, and I'll video again after I'm done drinking my tea. So I'm done drinking my tea, and right now I'm going to go and make my mushur dal. So what I have here is 1 cup dal, 1 bay leaf, kalo jire, 2 শুকনো লঙ্কা, 2 কাঁচা লঙ্কা, bas. So the first thing that I'm going to do is wash the dal very well. ডাল ভালো করে ধুতে হবে। যারা বাঙালি তারা তো জানেই, এখানে যারা ইউএসএ তে আছে তাদের জন্যই আমি বলছি। So you need to wash the dal till the water is clear. So this is the last time I'm going to be washing the dal. So you saw how the color of the water was the first time I rinsed. Now this is the final rinse. Look at the water. It's so much clearer. I'll try to drain as much water as I can. Okay, so now I'm going to transfer the dal in a pressure cooker. I have a little pressure cooker. Dal is in the pressure cooker. I have clean water. I'm going to pour the water in the pressure cooker. I'm going to close the pressure cooker. I've not used this cooker in a while. So the pressure cooker is on the oven, and I'm going to wait until I see the first whistle. Once the whistle goes off, that means that the dal is totally boiled and it can go to the next step. So while I wait for the dal to boil, I also have to make some rice. This is my rice this is the top part of the rice cooker. This is the actual cooker. So it's very easy. It's very easy to make rice here. So it'll just take all I have to do is wash the rice and put them in the cooker, add desired level of water, and then the rice just cooks by itself. So in the US I use this rice, royal basmati rice. I like this rice. I like the taste of this rice. Anyway, so I'm going to wash this. Again, wash it till the water is clear. See how dirty the water is now? So I'm going to wash it a couple of times until the water is clear. This is how the dal looks like. After 1 whistle, you can see, you don't see the grains. It's all very nicely melted. Now I'm going to go to the next step. Actually, I have not used that pressure cooker in a while because that pressure cooker is not very good. If you put a little too much water, the water just overflows from the top and it's not supposed to happen. So whatever, I used it today. It was okay. As you can see, the job got done. I need a better pressure cooker. তো এবার যেটা করব সেটা হচ্ছে সর্ষের তেল দেবো আর ফোড়ন দেবো. Light up the gas, the oven, and let the utensil heat up, and then put the mustard oil. Let the oil heat up for a bit, and then I'm going to put the kalo jeera. This is black cumin seed. Here it is, but I need some more water, so I'm going to add some more water to it. I added water, I'm stirring it, and I'll let it boil. But I also have to mix turmeric powder, so I'm going to put some turmeric powder in it. And some salt to taste. And now mix it well, let it boil, and then that's it. Dal is ready. So I've let the dal boil for 5 minutes. I've kept the heat on medium, and rice is done as well. আছে পাপড় আর ডিম. পাপড় ভাজা আর ডিম ভাজা দিয়ে খেয়ে ফেলবো. এই হচ্ছে পাপড় এখানে পাওয়া যায়. তো ডালটা টেস্ট করে দেখা যাক. অলমোস্ট হয়ে গেছে. একদম পারফেক্ট. তো বাড়ির মতো খেতে হয়েছে. অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি খুব খুশি যে আমি এরম ভালো রান্না করতে পেরেছি, কারণ হরদম আমার রান্না এরম ভালো হয় না, আর আমি খুব কম রান্না করি. আগে যেটা করতাম সেটা হচ্ছে এই রেস্টুরেন্ট থেকে হামেশাই দুপুরে আর রাতে খাবার এনে খেতাম. তো একটা টাইমে এরম বাইরে থেকে এনে এনে খেয়ে অরুচি হয়ে গেছে. তো এখন ওই জন্য কয়েক সপ্তাহ ধরে বাড়িতেই রান্না করছি. তাতে টাকাও বাঁচে, আর বাড়ির খাবার তো হেলদি. সো এখন আমি ভাত খাবো, স্নান টান করবো. জানি না জিমে যাবো কি না. ওয়েদার এত বাজে একদম, মানে উইন্টার যে শীতকাল মনেই হচ্ছে না, খালি বৃষ্টি আর কুয়াশা. এ হচ্ছে বাইরের ওয়েদার. এটা আমাদের নেইবার. কেমন কুয়াশা মেঘলা হয়ে আছে. কাল মনে হয় বৃষ্টি পড়েছে. এখানে সবাই বলে ক্রিসমাস, হোয়াইট ক্রিসমাস. সবাই মানে এখানকার যারা বাসিন্দা হোয়াইট ক্রিসমাস চায়. মানে ক্রিসমাসে ওরা বরফ দেখে দেখে অভ্যস্ত. এখন হয় না বলে ওদের খুব মন খারাপ. কালকে ভালোই গরম ছিল, মানে 8-9 ডিগ্রি সেলসিয়াস এরম গরম ছিল. এখানে শীতকালে এই টেম্পারেচার মানে বাজে ব্যাপার. গ্লোবাল ওয়ার্মিংয়ের কারণেই হচ্ছে. কী আর করা যাবে, দেখি জিমে যাই নাকি. কিন্তু যে ক্রিসমাস গিফটগুলো পেয়েছি সেগুলো দেখাবো বলছি. সেগুলো চার্লস উঠলে দেখাবো, কারণ দুজন লাগবে, একজন ক্যামেরা ধরবে আর একজন আনবক্সিং করবে. তো আর একটু পরে ভিডিও করছি. Okay, so Charles is up now, and as I said, when he's up, he's going to hold the camera while I show you while I unbox the Christmas gifts. So I'm handing the camera to him, and he can video. So all these gifts that I'm showing is first what he got. He got a drone, X11 Stratosphere from his cousin, sister, and brother. I don't know what made them give him a drone. Then he got this sweater from Polo. That's a nice shirt. And then he got three pairs of shoes. That is insane. I don't know how somebody can get 3 pairs of shoes. This is number 1. So this is an Adidas pair of shoes that he got. From what? Your cousins gave you, right?
Yeah.
And then 2 pairs of Vans. 2 different Vans shoes. This is number 1. Why did you get so many shoes?
I don't know.
People love giving you shoes.
Yeah, they do.
And this is the second pair. This is from your aunt. This your aunt gift?
Yeah.
This is the second pair of same company, different shoes.
It's the same shoes, different color.
Huh?
It's the same shoes, different color.
Is the same shoes?
Yeah.
So it's the exact same model but different color. And this is a calendar he got. And this is another shirt he got from his uncle. His uncle gave him this polo shirt. It's a nice shirt. I hope it fits you. And he and I got this Yankee scented candle. It's exotic jasmine scent. So these were his gifts. This was his and mine together, and I'll show you my gift. I got this Amazon gift card. It came in this beautiful box. I like it. This is the box. Next I got this is from his sister and brother cousin. This watch with these are bracelets. And then there's this one too. Next, this is for both of us, me and Charles. We got a Longhorn Steakhouse. This is a restaurant. We like to go to this restaurant. So his cousin, sister, and brother gave us this gift card. So if we go to this restaurant, we get some free food. Next, I got this beautiful jacket. This is from his aunt. It has a hoodie too. I like the color. And lastly, I got this cute cardigan from his uncle. I like it. I like this color. Anything white just looks nice. So, yeah. Okay, so that is it for the unboxing. And now I'm going to end my vlog for today. But I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Tell your friends and family to subscribe. You subscribe if you haven't done so. And tell everybody to subscribe to my channel as a Christmas gift to me. Till then, take care. Peace.